Well, most of us love a grilled cheese sandwich, but our next guest is adding his own twist to it and promises to take it up a notch. Chef Paul Lillakas joins us in the Your Morning Kitchen. Okay, grilled cheese is the ultimate comfort food for most of us, right? I love it. And let's start with the bread. What's the most important thing when it comes to choosing bread?
I like a good sourdough bread, and
okay.
Let's be real. With this weather, we're not counting calories today. We want big slices of bread, and we're making a grilled cheese. So I start with sourdough, thick slices,
and thick slices.
We're making an inside-out grilled cheese today.
Okay, so what does that mean?
This is like a grilled cheese upgrade.
Okay.
I'll show you. So if I could just get you to butter that bread there.
For sure.
We're gonna start assembling our grilled cheese like you kind of normally would, with a nice melty cheese on the inside. So I use a little bit of mozzarella.
Okay, yes.
And let's sort of make it for a grown-up.
Okay.
A little bit of prosciutto. Oh,
yes, I like the way you think. Meat, cheese, lots of butter. Yep. Already loving it, this delicious bread. And a little bit of caramelized onion. Oh. This is almost like a French onion soup grilled cheese. That looks amazing. So that'll add a little bit of sweetness, too. Yes, sweetness to counteract. There's a lot of salty going on here. I put a lot of butter on here. That's perfect. That's perfect. And maybe even a little bit of maybe arugula. Amazing. And a little more cheese to act as glue on top. Can never have too much cheese. So I'll flip that out. I'll put that on top. Here. Yep. Okay. And we're gonna grill it just like you normally would. Everyone knows how to grill a grilled cheese. So about 3-4 minutes aside until the inside is nice and melted. Okay, and through the magic of TV, voila. We've already got one here. And now we have one extra step. The reason why I call it an inside-out grilled cheese. I'll give you this. Okay. It's a little grated Gruyere. Yes, just one of my favorite cheeses. Me too. Just a little bit into the pan here. You can hear that sizzle? Yes. Maybe even a little more. A little more? Okay. There you go. Okay, and we flip this right on top. I have this restaurant where I always order this, and I never know how they do it. So the key is to toast the sandwich first. Toast it first. Okay. That's how you get that crispy crust. And this, not gonna take very long, maybe 30, 45 seconds. Okay. So in the meantime, we're gonna talk about everyone's favorite grilled cheese condiment. Ketchup. Ketchup. And we're making a DIY ketchup in just 4 ingredients. Okay, I had no idea. Yep. You could make ketchup on your own. You can make ketchup on your own, you can teach kids. It all starts with passata, strained tomatoes. Okay. Right in here. You gotta have a little bit of spattering. Okay. A little bit of balsamic vinegar. Okay. All of this in? Not, just a little bit. Just a little bit? A splash. Okay. And some brown sugar. Just a little bit as well? Yeah, here we go. Teamwork. Teamwork, I love it. Want to sweeten it up. And a pinch of salt. Okay. 4 ingredients, who knew? That's it. Okay. And now you're gonna cook it low and slow for about 20 minutes, and it will reduce. And you already saw that spatter. I like to add a lid, or you can even just use a plate, something to just keep it from getting all over the stovetop. Okay, now back to the grilled cheese. Yes. Voila, the inside-out grilled cheese. You have a crispy crust, now a little bit more cheese on the, right over there. Yeah, oh, sorry, I took your cheese. That's okay. A little bit more cheese on this side. And then we can do the other side. So with the ketchup, how long does this last? Like if I wanted to make some and keep it in the fridge, how long can I keep it for? Weeks. Really? Yep, you can keep it in the fridge for a couple of weeks, and you can also switch it up a number of different ways. You want to make a spicy ketchup, add a little bit of sriracha. You want to make a beautiful sauce for seared duck breast, add a little Chinese 5-spice. Amazing. Yeah. Oh, I love this. Okay, and also, I wish all of you at home could smell how good it smells in here. It smells amazing, so I'm very excited to try this. You even made a gluten-free one for me. Yep. Okay. We're gonna do the dunk? Yes, let's do it. You do it first. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Mmm. So good. Love the prosciutto. We'll be right back. I'm gonna enjoy this.